Hey guys, and welcome back to Telling Time for Watchbase episode 2. So for those of you who are new to the channel, Watchbase is a series which aims to cover the basics of the watch hobby for those who are new to this wonderful hobby. And today I will show you how to size your watch bracelet. And before we get into it, let me know if you enjoyed this video by commenting and subscribing. Now, many of you will buy your watches on the steel bracelet, but they will usually come in the maximum size like this Islander diver that I have here. And to get the bracelet to the right size for your wrist, you could take it to a watchmaker or retailer, or you could easily do it yourself after you're done with this video. So there are three main types of watch bracelet linkages, which are push pins, pin and collar, and screw pins. And I'll showcase the two main types in this video. Before you start sizing your bracelet, it's important to ask or research about what type of linkage system it has so that you'll know what method to use when sizing the bracelet. I'll demonstrate firstly on the push pin type with this Seiko bracelet over here. So you'll be able to tell that a bracelet has push pins if you see these small arrows on the back of the bracelet. You can either size the push pin bracelet with your regular spring bar tool, which is a bit more difficult, or a pin pusher tool, which in my opinion is a lot easier. These pin pusher tools can be bought from AliExpress or eBay pretty readily, but as I don't have one handy, we'll be going with the old fashioned way today with your regular spring bar tool. So the secret to sizing a pin bracelet is to know that the arrows indicate the direction that the pin slides out. So to get the pin out, you need to push it in the direction of the arrow. So line up the pointy end of your spring bar tool with the pin and push firmly with some pressure to pop the pin out. Take the pin out and you should now be able to separate the links. The second important thing is to look at the pin itself and notice that it has a head, which is this thicker bit over here, and a tail. When replacing the pin, you want to insert it tail first against the direction of the arrow. So, thinking about reversing the sequence used to push the pin out, align the tool against the arrow now and slowly push the pin back in. And that's all there is to it. Now you should be able to freely remove and add links to your bracelet. And to finish sizing the bracelet, you can simply repeat this process for the other links. And now I'll show you the second type of linkage, which is the screw pin. The screw pin is a lot easier to size because it simply screws in and out of the pinhole. And with the screw bracelet, there is no need for arrows because it only enters and exits one way. So, to undo the pin, you need a small screwdriver like this. And again, these can be bought from your preferred online store, and some brands such as Islander may even give one to you complimentary. Simply take the screwdriver and wind anti-clockwise to undo the thread, and you should be able to remove the pin afterwards. After removing the pin, you can simply take the bracelet apart. Repeat this with the other end and voila, the link is out. And to put the bracelet back together, simply piece the holes of the links together and insert the pin back in, and screw it firmly in place. So there you have it. I hope you are able to see how easy it is to size your own watch bracelet so you can try it out for yourself. And if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.